Alright, time to commence in the video makeage. I haven't decided what I want to wear yet, so I'm going to have to decide what I want to wear. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like out there. Can you see? Look at all that snow! Oh my god. It's actually not as bad as it was. A lot of it's melting, as you can see by the drippage off the side of that building. So that shiny stuff, that's all the snow and ice melting off. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? But yeah, a lot of this is melted. So before it all melts, I'm going to go outside and play in it. Play in all that fun powdery white stuff. It's cold. It's cold outside, so I'm going to wear something really warm. So I'm going to go ahead and get dressed, and then I'm going to show you guys outside. I decided to wear my Drop It Like It's Hot shirt with my little penguin. You see it? Yeah, you know it's awesome. I thought it was pretty appropriate to wear a penguin shirt with how cold it is outside. I'm going to go ahead and get my jacket on, and I'm going to go play in the snow. Woo! Drop it like it's hot. Oh yeah. Saga! Come on! Saga! You guys! Come on!
They go?
They went pee! They won't go poop! Come on, Aimi, come on! The snow is so deep out here! They hate it! Oh my god! It's like almost up to my knees. Oh man, what's this? This is ridiculous. Oh, this is all the snow that we got today. February. You can see how deep my boots are going. This is incredible. Okay, so this is all the snow. Look at the little doggy footprints. Isn't that adorable? What I plan on doing, because it's actually packable now, is making a snowman. Since I'm by myself, I can't, film myself making a snowman, because all I have is my phone here. But I'm going to make one, and then I'll probably take pictures of it later. So we probably got like a good few inches, and most of it's gone now. It's melted. But it was pretty deep. Earlier I showed you guys some videos. So I'm going to commence the snowman makeage and then post this on YouTube. Alright. I just got done building my snowman, and the little kid saw me building the snowman. He was like, "Can I help?" And I was like, "Heck yeah, you can help." I've got to hang out my gloves, they're all wet. But I was like, "Heck yeah, you can help." So I'm going to show you the finished result. And then, oh man. So apparently black leather gloves make your fingers look like you've been digging in a chimney or something. But it is not coming off. That's nice. My hands are stained like this. This is gross. But anyway, I'm going to show you the snowman. So follow me outside. I never got the kid's name. He was 7 years old. I know that. And where's my purse? Because I gotta go driving in a second. I felt dumb because I haven't been in school in a long time. I was like, oh, it's your school day. Guess I'll show you Saturday. So here's the snowman. Walk downstairs with me. Whoa! Almost fell. Did you hear it? These are the snowmen. Probably the best snowman you've ever seen in your life. And I think that's going to be all for my video right now. I'm going to edit this in.
What does Aimi think of the snows? Aimi. Aimi. Aimi.
It is cold.
Kumo. Kumo. And this is Sega. Say hello, Sega. Look, look, look. Look at the camera. Hello, my name is Sega.